In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about a specific security feature in your Android phone that you need to turn on right now so that you could actually secure your phone when it is lost or stolen, and then you could try and get it back. Losing a phone is actually a big deal because these days phones are not just meant for communication and taking pictures and videos. We rely on our phones for banking transactions. We rely on our phones for long distance video calls with our mom or sister or brother. We rely on our smartphones for a lot of things. But one fine day you wake up and you get to know that your phone is missing. How would you feel? I don't think that is going to be a good feeling. And if you are a person who is watching my video for today who has misplaced your phone, I'm sorry about that. Happened in the past. But going further, let me show you one simple and easy security feature that you could set up right now on your Android device so that later on you could not just secure your device but also try and get it back. So the first thing is get hold of your Android device and then get to settings directly. Here you scroll down a bit and go to Google or Google services or whatever it is mentioned on your phone. If you have Find Hub already installed, open Find Hub. If you do not, install the application from Google Play and then get back to this step. So I click on Find Hub, unlock login, and then I select the device that I am wanting to set this up for. Click on settings, and then you see you have an option for remote lock. So you select that and then you turn this feature on. Once it is turned on, if your phone is misplaced, you could easily lock your phone with a screen lock and you could try and get your phone back by tracking it online. So now say supposing if your phone is misplaced, you get hold of a laptop or a PC and then do a Google search for Find Hub. Click on the first suggestion, click on devices, click on the device that you are trying to locate or secure. If your phone is online, it is going to immediately show up on Google Maps out here. And if you get to this place and you don't get your phone back, what you could do is select this option, remote lock, and then you get a pop-up like this. Just put in your phone number that is on your phone that is misplaced out here and click on lock device. So if your phone is online, it is immediately going to get locked, and after your phone is locked, it is going to be very difficult for the thief to actually unlock your phone or switch it off or whatever it is. And if you have a phone with an eSIM, all the better. They cannot remove the SIM. So what you could do here is, as a next step, click on this link, and then if your phone is still online, it is going to take you to the location for your phone. So if the thief is not able to switch off your phone, then you could easily catch the thief, okay, because the phone is going to be locked, they cannot switch off the phone, and it is going to be still online. So you could quickly get to the location and try to get your phone back. This is a fantastic feature by Google Find Hub that we should all appreciate, because if this was not there, then it would have been impossible to track lost or stolen phones these days. And let me tell you, my friend, rumors say that Find Hub is also going to have a satellite tracking feature through which you could track a lost or stolen phone or an Android device even when there's no internet connection, even when you don't have a cellular network. This feature may just come out anytime. I've just gone through certain blog posts and the official Google blog. So let's hope for the best. And I would want you to turn this feature on right now, immediately after this video. I hope you got some value through my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.